Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be unboxing my 1,000 keys, but fortunately I kind of traded 80 keys for a pumpkin. I really want one because 2017, but yeah, let's start the unboxing, which is going to be really long. For some good luck, we will go with where JD is, and we'll sit down and we will unbox keys. We started. Okay, this video is going to be pretty long, so skip to it every time, but it's going to take a real long time. First off, coal. I did nothing wrong. I got coal on first try. Again, I'm a bad boy, am I? Hope I get a gingerbread on my third try. Obviously not. I hear people say they got in like their third try. I want Chroma so I can build up. That's when like a big increase. I got lots of keys, so I'm hoping I can get that. Sucks. Yeah. I'm saying open like 200 each time, cause I feel like JD too. He unboxed 300, but he edited. I suck at editing. I don't even know how to edit. Apparently, well, first of all, I don't even know how. I don't even want to know. I keep on getting coal. Is my luck this bad? JD, bringing me bad luck. Let's go to an elf. How's that? You sit with the elf. I assure you that will give me my luck I need. Developer console. You press F. But anyways, if you want to activate this, just press F9. It won't do anything. You'll just see its stats. You'll just see its status. Okay, nothing. Wait, I have equipped on the gingerblade. I don't want to have equipped the gingerblade on. I want my ice wing. Ice wing's way cooler. So yeah, ice wing. It's super big. That's what I really like about it too. I like my corrupt, but it's just that, corrupt, many people have it. Eternal 2, I got Eternal 2. I'm seeing lots of people who have Eternal 2 now. Yes, they bought it for Christmas. Holly. I do not want to look back, because if I do, I don't want to miss the godly. Then I'm going to be ashamed of myself. And I am going to download a software where it goes automatically, where whenever I record my movements and I could just sit there and wait. It will have no sound and will just keep on going. Like for instance, it's like this. And stop, and you do the whole inside, and then press claim, and it goes all over again. Stop. No. Oh, by the way, my friend, on Discord, he said that like the little piece of line, it was at Gingerblade, but didn't give him. So I'm hoping that does not happen to me, or I'm going to flip. Am I having no luck? Maybe I should dance for the luck, beauty. I'm too lazy, but luck, come on, luck, give me the Gingerblade. Actually, I don't want Gingerblade. I already got Gingerblade. I want the Chroma. My friend said he also had. He got like this other my other friend said that he got 6 Gingerblades in 600 boxes. So I'm kind of worried because I really want the Chroma. Because then I don't have to give it back to the guy because I want it back. I want this item badly, like super. Good thing I get like unlimited, but we'll stop at 800 for this video, and I'll go on forever. Apparently it's that. Ginger. Yes, finally I got one legendary in my life. I have not come across a godly yet. I'm pretty sure Jordy, well, he's not a developer on this game anymore, but he said that it's a 0.1% chance you can get a godly. It'll take forever. Deja vu. Oh. Wait. Godly Chroma Gingerblade. Does that work? Does that work? Is that gonna work? Is that gonna work? Huh, if I get Chroma, yeah, I know it doesn't work, but, Gargoyle, gets Chroma Boneblade, Chroma Gingerblade. Okay. Well, that's my sister. She's annoying. Okay. No, I'm not. So Gargoyle gets Chroma Gingerblade. Next try. Enter. Me. Okay, let's keep on going.
You're annoying.
Let's first claim. Christmas. Unboxing. Okay, that does not work. When is my luck gonna come? Alright, oh, by the way, the next video, it's probably going to be more of these, but after I'm done with all my keys, there's going to be one video where, like, since the moon update for, speedrun has came out now, I'm going to do that because that's my first video. I did speedrun. Actually, not too long ago. I think that was in October. I've increased a lot. Oh, by the way, send me donations or trades for me so that we can do all these goodies. And if I get like, look, if we get 50, okay, 50 subscribers. If we get 50, I will give away something in my inventory. But you have to subscribe and like and turn on notifications so that you can win, and I will probably announce the winner if we get 50 subscribers. Apparently, and if you want to go quicker, send this video to your friends so that you can be entered. And yeah, you have 83 now to go. Oh, my bad. Command line, Chroma, Ginger Blade, Garg, Vote. Enter. That's the command line. Manifest claim. Go shop. Go that. Wait for it. 3, 2, 1. I got it. No, I get the Holly instead. Oh, wrong way. Maybe the power of Nicholas can give me what I want. Nicholas, give me your light. I need it. Give me the godly. I don't want the ginger blade. I want the chroma. Chroma's way better. It's actually, yeah, technically it's way better because apparently I really need it. Gotta do this quickly. Next video, I'm not going to talk. There's going to be recording. I am not going to do this again. I am too lazy to make a video where I actually talk. These type of videos, Ginger. That was at Ginger game. If that happened at Chroma, I'm going to cry. Oh, by the way, guys, my dream knife is basically the Chroma bone blade. I did have Chroma, but I really want the Chroma bone blade. Like, really, I give this whole entire inventory, which includes not the organ loader, but I really hope someone in the comments saying they would like to trade their Chroma for my items. Apparently, I really want Chroma. It's technically my dream knife. If there's another Chroma, I'd be in shock. Oh, there should be also a Chroma. There should be a Chroma Luger, because Luger needs every knife has to have a Chroma. Okay, I want that, especially with the tier 3s, because the tier 3s, so those are old, and there should be like a crafting system for Chroma, because apparently it seems good.
No!
She's playing epic. She's playing epic mini games. That game is kind of boring.
Wow. Okay. So mean. You would have been mercy for me? I tried so hard, bro.
Slang. I'm going to post a link in this video. I'm going to post a link in the description so you could see her channel, because apparently I'm going to troll her. Well, that's nice. I'm really nice. What was the 2018 godly? I forgot. Oh yeah, the battle axe. Oh, and the bomba. Yes, yes, yes. I didn't participate in it. I got it. Why can't this game give me what I want? We haven't come across a single godly yet.
I did anything.
This is so long. We've done almost 100 keys. There's gonna be 2 videos a day probably.
Bro.
This may take so long time. Let's give it. I got 1 legendary. That's all. I better get godly in my 900 keys. If I don't, I'm going to get triggered so bad. At least give me the ginger blade, please. If you don't give me chroma, it's fine, but that's the goal. Please.
Why did it?
I beg you. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. 2. Finally. That's 7. Jeez. No wonder why Jordy said it's a 0.1% chance to get a godly. Yes. Hold on. I remember on the shop. Get these. It's a 5% chance to get a legendary. Oh. Well, that's very good. That's like the same thing, so. 2,000 years later. Please, godly, give me a chroma. I want a chroma, please. This game is mean. Just give me the item. Solid. Was that chrome or was that gingerbread, eh? Holly. I saw you, godly. That wasn't even 100 keys yet. Is this my lucky day, like in Mining Simulator when I used to grind with Henrik? Is this possibility? Well, Henrik's technically my friend. Yep, I just exposed him. Okay, let me tell you. Henrik is none other than, drumroll please. I'm not going to tell you, but you can inference that you know who it is. He's actually started YouTube before me. We lied about our inventory. We lied. We said like we had good stuff, things like them. And then once we went to game, we're like, but now I'm not lying. I gave him the flames. He's happy with it. Me, I'm grand. My first actual good something was a corrupt, but I got scammed for it. But yeah. Oh my! I'm make. Yeah, I'm making a. I'm making a vid. I'm making a vid. Yeah. 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 I don't care, jocks. You see, I know. I don't care about jocks. I don't care about them.
Wait, he's in your game?
Yes.
No.
Can you come back? Yes. After I'm done with this, please. Okay. Thank you. Leave. Thank you. For the love of Jesus Christ. Thank you. Glitch. Oh, oh, wrong way. Oh, by the way, I did not spend my Robux on. I did not spend Robux on this. I actually traded. Mm-hmm. 24 hours later. Yeah, 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 yeah. Please, for the love of God, just give me what I want. Just make sure how many. I have 43 keys left. I'm 43 boxes, and if I don't get it, then I'm gonna get really triggered. I'm getting nothing. I'm getting nothing at all. I'm literally getting stupid things. See, this is how much I've been unboxing for. Like JD. You grind, you grind, you grind. I used to have that. Please, for the love of Jesus Christ. No, I want to dance. What am I doing? I want to dance. He broke the roof. He broke the ritual. Yeah, he broke the ritual. Chroma, Chroma. Yes, 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 yes. At least I got a ginger. Yes. We've only encountered it once. I need to encounter it 6 times or 9 times. I want to unbox it. But most I want Chroma because actually 10. But I want to unbox Chroma. Chroma. Why? How long has this video going for? 23 minutes. Wow. 23 minutes? Is this maybe a 30-minute video? Oh my gosh. It's only 100 keys. Man, it's only 100 keys. Okay. Interesting that for some reason everyone gets it. But apparently me, I have the West Lock and the entire world. Yes. No, sure. Default, dance it. Default. Please, I beg you. Nicholas, please give me the item I want. I have 833 keys. All I want is that one item you can just give me. Please. I get Holly. You know how much I hate these. Nicholas, can you just please give me the godly? If you give me the godly, it'll be much more easier. Calmer. When I get triggered, sure. Get me triggered. Right there. That's right. I just auto-click. But you can't because then I have to go back there. So, wait, there was a glitch back then where there was like, block the glitch. Nah, 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 nah. Oh, Henrik, you are so dumb, Henrik. Ah, tick tock. Tick. Now I type all of these. Making a. I'm making a vid. Jeez. Ha. Oh my freaking gosh. Piling up in my game. Unboxing. Keys. Yeah. No. Chroma. Chroma. Die. I'm going for my Chroma. I get ranked up. That's how I do.
Huh?
What?
Huh?
I get triggered.
Your own trigger.
Okay.
It's not surprising.
Yeah. I should make a video for Undertale. I said I would. I can right now, cause sure. Let's not break things up. Okay, just lobby mode. Okay. Only lobby mode. Let's play one game with my blaster. Let's play one game with my blaster. Die. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you. I'm going to kill you badly. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. This ain't happening, not today, kid. No! Yes! Second! How does it feel? Ah, yes! I like the sound of victory. With my blaster, anything is possible. Snowflake. Boring. Boring. Absolute boring. I'm almost there. Once I get 800. By the way, I'm Eastern time, so my videos will be in Eastern. Apparently. I have a potato PC. I thought I did, but now I know why I have a potato. because it sucks. Wow, look at that pattern. Yes. Oh, if that's the pattern, oh my gosh. Wait, is that going to be the pattern? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. If I get the snowflake. Okay, yeah. Know it. The pattern's not going to happen. The ritual is not going to. It ain't going to happen forever, never, never, never. I'm doing 100 Ks. 16 left. If I don't get nothing, it's fine. There's gonna be another video, but this is my 100. This video has been so long. It's just the upload time is gonna take forever. The thumbnail is obviously going to be the same. It's gonna be the same. Because it's just a unboxing 1%, actually 10% of my keys. I want to like Chroma hunting for Chroma gingerblade. I want Santa. I have 2 Santas. The old one and the new one. You see the difference? Larger or colored. That one's so smaller. I started actually in 2016. Yeah, I started that time. Actually, a couple days before Pyromancer. Couple days. Oh.
That's so hard.
And Legendary Football. And on Legendary Football, the game was created the day after I just joined Roblox, so I didn't really know. And I used to role play, but now I understand that it's kind of bad, so I quit. He looks like over me, but apparently he has bad stuff. I actually never unboxed it, Godly. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much. I'm doing 7 more, that's all. Cole. Well, yeah, pretty much.
No.
Stop recording. Well, yeah, pretty much. Almost done. Give me the godly, please. We only encountered it once. This game's real. Wait, no, this game's real. One more left. Yeah, I'm done. I'm done. This is gonna be a new video.
Yeah.
One more. Please give me the godly Chroma or the digital. Well, guys, that has to be do it for the first part of this video. Please like and subscribe, turn on notifications, and share this video with your friends for the giveaway. The giveaway will be if we hit 50 subscribers. And yeah, 50. So, I'll see you later. And peace.